Throw it to him. Can you throw it to him?
Throw it, Kaya.
Okay, use our hand.
Throw it, Kaya. Throw it. Throw it.
Yay!
No, that one's gonna kill her.
It's hovering. Look up, Kaya. Look up.
Oh, he's pooping. They're gonna poop on her.
Where'd the pigeons come from?
I don't know. All right, Kaya, come here.
Mama's getting scared. It's like the birds.
It's a little scary. Is that funny?
I've never seen pigeons before at the beach. Where did they come from?
I don't know.
Look at these little pigeons.
Did you feed the bird?
Sorry guys, that's all we got. Ugh. Look at the storm. Look at all the birds, man. Kai fed them some cookie.